guys, let me tell you about my night skincare routine. So firstly, I have cleansed my face with face wash, and then I'm gonna apply this Biotic Pore Fix Toner. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it with cotton. So I am applying it all over my face. So it will give you fresh and soothing effect. And if you have open pores problem, then you can apply this toner. It is so good for that. Okay, after applying toner, I am gonna moisturize my skin. So I am using this Biotic Bio Coconut Cream. This is for whitening and brightening. So I am applying it. Before going to bed, you must apply any moisturizer or any kind of moisturizing cream. So you can use this one is best. Now I need to apply lip balm. All set. Now I can go for sleeping. Bye. Good night. Bye.